Okay, good day. This one, I'll teach you. For example, AS1. What is AS1? Emergency stop. Example, AS3. Emergency stop, fan, deck, and PSA. This one. AS3 and AS1. What is the control that triggers to shut off the breaker? Okay, example for this one, PT1, preference strip 1, AS1, or AS1, CO2 release strip 1, reference strip. Okay, this is the specification. Okay, for example, we will compare this one. There is no trip. This one only one trip, reference trip. Same with this one, only one. This one 1, 2, 3 trips that attach on this breaker, and I'll show you how to diagnose if that is capable. For example, this one, as you can see the difference, there is no shunt trip. This is purely breaker, on and off. Shunt trip 220. As you can see, there is a extra wire. 20. Same with this one. And this one. Example, for this one, you can see 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. This is for 1, 2, 3. Not including this one because this is normal breaker without shunt trip. Okay, what is shunt trip? Example, you supply 220. This one, you supply 220 and this will trip. Example, they will hit the emergency stop 1. Yes, example, emergency stop number 1, and then that one, when they push on the local side, and then this wire supplies the shunt coil to trip this breaker remotely. I'll show you, and I will show you how to simulate that one. Act 1. Okay, I have a sample. This is new. Okay, then we will fix this one first and set up. Okay, this is breaker, the new breaker. I already removed the 2 bolts, securing bolts on the cover. Okay, so that you can see the actual. This is shunt trip. Shunt trip 220 at 200 to 220. See, there is a coil 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay, the features of this one, aside from the current that it detects, example 20 amps, this one you can set the ampere. Example, it reaches the trip, it will trip. But the topic for today is how to remotely turn off this breaker. Okay, when you do like this, turn on. This is 220. Then when I supply this coil, this one, 2 wires, and then you can see it will trip itself. It means you can remotely turn off this breaker by supplying 220. Okay, you need to turn off first to reset. Turn off and then turn on again. Okay, again. To 20. See, strip. Even though you cannot reset if there is a 220 supply. Okay, because it will trip again. Remove the power supply, then turn off. If turn off, we will check if we will supply this breaker, what happens. Okay, nothing happens because it's turned off. If the breaker is turned on, it will trip. Okay, remove the supply for the shunt. Then this is the purpose that we remove the 2 bolts, so that we can see the parts inside. Okay, then we can open this one so that we can see the, okay, this is off position. This is the coil that I said earlier. Okay, do turn on like that, and it will give trip. Okay, I will put a power supply, power source. See, it will trip. Remove and reset. Okay, reset, and then try to turn on. Then we can, I will show you what is the shunt trip coil. Okay, this is the shunt trip coil. If you supply this one, you will remotely trip this breaker. Okay, put it back, then that's it. Turn on. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, last. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.